Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about clear method of set. Set is a constructor, and now what we're gonna do is it is we will create a set. Use the const variable for defining the set one. Use the new set and what we're gonna do is put set one dot add and 1, pass 1. Now what we're gonna do is again we will pass another, is this time we will pass a string like foo. And now what we're gonna do, use log. It has another property called size. So if we log it on a console, it will show the size. In this case it's 2 because we put only 2 of them. And now what we're gonna do is we will use that method clear. What the heck? Clear. And when we do that, now we log in on the console. Size of that, it will show 0 because it doesn't have any elements anymore. So this is what it does, as the name suggests. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next video.